Looking fluffy in the baby bump. Y'all. Oh! You have room? Hey everyone, it's Ashley and today I am doing a try on haul for you guys. So I'm actually working in collaboration with House of CV, so thank you so much to House of CV. This is like one of my favorite online retailers. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen some of these outfits in my pictures. If you watch my vlogs, you've seen me wear this to a couple of events. So follow me on Instagram and make sure you're watching As Told by Ashley so you can see some of the looks. But what I'm doing today is putting them all in one video so you can see every single piece that I got from House of CV, because I haven't shown you guys everything that I got. So let's go ahead and get started. This is obviously outfit number one, and this one is a date night outfit. I wore it on a date with my boyfriend. This is obviously an outfit that he really liked. This cage skirt and this long sleeve bodysuit is actually something that is put together on the website. I love the skirt though, and it comes with undies. So the undies that you see in here, the pink ones, it comes with it. Then you have the cage skirt and it has like gold detailing on the skirt, and then you have the bodysuit. I'm gonna link the nipple covers that I wear in the description box down below. You want to get a specific color, a specific shape, and there's like a specific kind of like tackiness that's already on the nipple covers, I guess from just like being worn as often as I wear them. So I'm gonna link them down below. They are actually like 10 out of 10 I recommend, because some nipple covers you can wear them and you can kind of like see through the clothes. I also just want to give a really quick disclaimer before we move on to the other items. I've been seeing a lot of comments saying like, Ashley's getting thick. I'm actually just gaining weight because I eat a ton and I've lived a very sedentary lifestyle up until this point. Trust me, I see the comments about when I'm due and looking fluffy in the baby bump. My body may look a little different in this try on haul than it has in some in the past, because I'm not snatched like I used to be, but we're working on it. So here's the second outfit. I don't know if you guys remember this, but I wore this to an event that we had here in Dallas. Oh my gosh, you guys. This dress fits like a glove. House of CB is really like, let me just go ahead and say it, okay? House of CB is the only online retailer that does Bandage the right way, like the best way. I have not seen anyone else get Bandage right like House of CB. Like, y'all. Oh! Alright, this is outfit number 3. I really like this outfit, but I will say the pants are not short girl friendly. I have on the highest heels that I own, and as you guys can tell, the pants are still really dragging the ground. This is something that a tailor can fix like super quick, super simple, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're wearing the outfit like as soon as you get it, like if it's your birthday outfit and you're on a trip and you put these pants on, they're not short girl friendly. You would have to like try to get a tailor stat. Other than that, I think this is so cute. This is super classy. This would be great for brunch. This would be great for like a girls' night out. I would even wear this on a date, honestly. This outfit is just so freaking cute. Y'all, like I'm just really feeling myself. I will say that you can see the bodysuit through the pants. So if that's something that bothers you, then steer clear. Perhaps get this in white, the bodysuit itself in white. I'll check and see if they have the pants in different colors and let you guys know in the description box down below. But other than that, I definitely think this is a win-win. I really like this outfit. Okay guys, this is, I want to say the 4th outfit. I wore this in my vlog, and then I wore this in a photo shoot in a vlog. So I really like this dress, and you can wear it off the shoulder on both sides, or you can wear like one on the shoulder, one off the shoulder. I saw Jordan Woods in a dress similar to this one. I was just like, okay, let me give it a try. Well, all right. This is the next outfit. This is one that you may recognize. And yes, just wanted to note, we had a lighting change. The sun goes down at like 3 p.m. I swear. I had to bring in some reinforcements so that you guys could still see me. Hopefully it's not too dramatic of a change. Whew. So yeah, gotta fix my hair before I go inside. Okay. This is the next outfit. Like I said, you might recognize this. I wore it to my meet and greet in Dallas. So it's in a vlog. I love everything about this outfit except for the fact that it is not short girl friendly. And for that reason, it looks really weird in the butt area. On a taller girl between the heights of like 5'5" and 5'10", I think it would sit different in this particular area right here. Like, I think it would look really good in the back as well. And let me move my hair. I know a lot of you guys were asking what the back looked like, so here you go. Woo Chile. Woo Chile. I don't know how this is supposed to look, and I'm sweating profusely trying to make this work. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this top situation, and you know, when you're a one-woman show, it's really difficult to put stuff together when it's literally just you and nobody else. So this is one of those really difficult times for me because I don't know, okay? So I'm sure there's a picture of how this is supposed to go in my emails or something, but this is the best attempt you get from me. This is what the back is looking like. I tried it the other way where the straps were like this and it was crisscross in the back, and it just didn't look right at all. I give up. I give up. Baby girl, I'm done trying. If you're wearing this outfit, if you do decide to get it, because it's cute, you know, all down here and whatnot. It's not short girl friendly. Well, hold on, let me put my shoes on. Yeah, it's not short girl friendly. I wouldn't wear them with these shoes. I just put them on because they're high. If you're wearing this, you need friends to help you. Friends, boyfriend, parents, sibling, cousin, something. You need somebody to help you put this on. I think it's just the kind of bra strappy, the gold thingies back here need to be adjusted. Oh. Did I get it? I think I got it. Oh snap. Okay. That's how I put that outfit on for real. I just kind of feel around until I zipped it, and then however long that takes. Okay, finally got this outfit on and on and on and You need 4 hands instead of 2 to really get this outfit on. Like if you really want to get it on. If you're okay with struggling for maybe 20 minutes or so trying to clip it in the back, you can't clip it in the front and then twist it around like a bra. You've gotta like hook it in the back and then zip it up. It doesn't have pockets, but you can move your legs around, okay, if you have room. This outfit just makes me feel like stunting. That's what I'm doing. Stunting. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this try on haul showing you all of my House of CV outfits. I know you've seen quite a few of them, but there are a few pieces that are new that you haven't seen yet, so I hope that you liked those. Before I debut them, I will have to get them tailored. The outfit before this one that I could barely get on right, me and that outfit are gonna have to talk. Like we're gonna have to have a discussion before we go any further, because this relationship is very complicated and we need to really work out our issues first. Give this video a big, huge thumbs up if you like try on hauls, and let me know in the comment section down below which piece was your favorite or which outfit was your favorite. And I'm gonna see if you guys can guess what my favorite is. Until next time, stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.